To power on the Phonak Roger pass-around microphone, press and hold the power button on the side of the device until the indicator light turns green. It is important to hold the microphone about this far away from your mouth to ensure optimal clarity of your voice. Please remember that the Phonak Roger touchscreen in your classroom must be turned on and hanging in lanyard mode in order for the pass-around microphone to work. To ensure that the mute button is not pressed accidentally when being passed around by students, it has been disabled. Instead of muting the microphone, power it off to disable the mic when not in use. To power the pass-around microphone off, press and hold the power button on the side of the device until the indicator lights turn off. To charge the pass-around microphone, plug the device into the charger using the supplied cable or charging rack.